today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. So let's get started with some preliminary steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. First off, it's important to ensure that your Monopoly Go app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and the addition of new features, so making sure your app is current will help prevent any glitches during the process. Once you've confirmed that your app is up to date, go ahead and open it on your device. With the app open, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll find an option labeled Friends. Give that a tap. Now you should see 3 distinct tabs appear on your screen: Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard. Let's focus first on the Add Friends tab. This section is primarily used to manage friend requests. Here, you'll see a list of people who have sent you requests to become friends on Monopoly Go. You have the option to either ignore these requests or accept them. If there's someone you'd like to add or invite to your game, this is also the place where you can do that. Keep these tools in mind as they'll be handy for managing your social interactions within the game. Now, if your goal is to remove someone from your friend list, you'll want to tap on the Leaderboard tab next. This section shows a list of your friends, and it's where you can decide who stays and who goes. Scan through the list until you find the friend you wish to delete. Once you've selected that person, look for 3 horizontal dots positioned inside an orange circle. It should be visible near the contact you're interested in removing. Go ahead and tap those dots. After tapping the dots, you'll see an option to remove that friend. Confirm your choice by tapping Remove, and just like that, that person will no longer appear in your friends list on Monopoly Go. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to deleting friends on Monopoly Go. If you found these instructions helpful, please like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content on managing and enhancing your gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.